Thomas was so bored. He always pulled cargo with Percy to Billy and Trevor's field, or Big Pete's field, or Henry's field. He longed to have his own field, but he knew he was just a little tractor and he couldn't get one. That all changed one day when Gordon came into the sheds. Guys, there is a shed. There is a new field open, and the engines wanted me to take it, but I thought we let the little tractors have a chance. Really? Oh my god, I would love that. Yes, we will have a contest to see who is earned. And your second in command will be Percy, because he deserves to work on a field. Maybe not in charge, helping. Yes. So we will see who wins.